Hello everyone and welcome to Housing. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Lodha Bilair Phase 2 project named as Lodha Unicam, located bang on Patel Estate Road off SV Road, Jogeshwari. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel. Also, you can have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location, connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 3.5 acres that will have 2 towers of ground plus 25 story, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK residences. Also penthouse are available. And now talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Patel Estate Road off SV Road, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai. From where SV Road is only at a distance of 1 minute, Jogeshwari Railway Station is only at a distance of 2 minutes, Millat Masjid is only at a distance of 2 minutes, you have JVLR at a distance of 3 minutes and Western Express Highway is only at a distance of 5 minutes from the project. And now talking about the amenities, this project has 35 plus amenities with swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, multi-purpose hall, kids play area, jogging track, indoor games and many more amenities within the project. And now talking about the configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2.5 BHK, 3 BHK and 3.5 BHK residences with 2.5 BHK in the carpet area of 950 to 1050 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 1150 to 1250 square feet and 3.5 BHK in the carpet area of 1350 to 1450 square feet. Also, penthouse options are available. And now talking about the booking process, the booking windows for this project is now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Lodha Bilair Phase 2 project named as Lodha Unicam, located bang on Patel Estate Road off SV Road, Jogeshwari West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.